to Listen and Learn English Easy, the podcast where we make English simple, clear, and fun for you. I'm Sarah, and today we're tackling something every English learner faces: understanding fast, natural English. Do you ever watch a movie or hear native speakers and think, why do they speak so fast? Or maybe you feel lost when words just blur together? Well, you're not alone. And the good news? You can train your ears to understand better. Today, I'll share 5 simple listening techniques that will change how you learn. These aren't complicated tricks, just smart habits that work. So, grab your favorite drink, find a comfortable spot, and let's begin your journey to better listening. Segment 1. What is active listening? Before we dive into the techniques, let's talk about active listening. What does that mean? Well, passive listening is when English just plays in the background, like music while you cook. You hear it, but your brain isn't really working. Active listening is different. It means you give your full attention. You focus on the message. You think about what the speaker means, not just the words they say. Here's the secret. You don't need to understand every single word. Really, even native speakers don't catch everything. What matters is understanding the idea. When you listen actively, your brain works harder and grows stronger. You start connecting sounds to meaning automatically. Over time, this becomes easier and even enjoyable. Ready for the first technique? Let's go. Technique 1. Predict before you listen. Technique number 1. Predict before you listen. To predict means to make a smart guess about what will happen. Before you press play on any English video or podcast, stop for 10 seconds. Ask yourself, what is this about? What words might I hear? Let me show you. Imagine you're about to listen to a podcast about travel. What words come to your mind? Maybe airport, ticket, hotel, passport, flight, vacation? Now your brain is ready. It's like warming up before exercise. When the speaker mentions these words, you'll recognize them faster because you already thought about them. Try this. Before your next English listening practice, write down 3 words you expect to hear. See how many you guessed correctly. It's like a game, and it works. Technique 2. Listen for main ideas. Technique number 2. Focus on main ideas, not every word. Many learners make this mistake. They panic when they hear one unknown word. They stop listening, they worry, and they miss everything else. But here's the truth. Native speakers use slang, idioms, and new words all the time. You won't know every word, and that's completely okay. Instead, ask yourself, what's the big picture? What's the speaker trying to say? Let me give you an example. Imagine someone says, I didn't go to the party because I had a splitting headache. Maybe you don't know splitting, but you heard no party plus headache equals stayed home. You understood the message. Another example. We hit some unexpected delays, but we finally made it to Paris. Maybe unexpected delays is new, but you understood. Problem happened plus but arrived safely equals success in the end. See? The main idea is enough. If you understand 60% or more, you're doing great. Your brain will fill in the gaps naturally as you practice more. Technique 3. Listen more than once. Technique number 3. Listen more than once. This sounds simple, but so many learners skip it. They listen once, don't understand everything, and feel frustrated. Here's what really happens in your brain. First time, you're just getting used to the voice, speed, and accent. You catch some words. That's normal. Second time, your brain knows what's coming. You hear more details. You notice connections between words. Third time, you catch small things. A new expression, the speaker's emotion, a word you missed before. Think of your favorite song. The first time you heard it, you didn't know the lyrics. But after listening many times, you can sing every word. English is the same. Repetition isn't boring, it's powerful. So, don't rush. Listen to this podcast twice. Listen to that video 3 times. Each time, you'll understand more. Each time, your confidence grows. Technique 4. Use context. Technique number 4. Use context to guess new words. Context means the words, situation, and feeling around an unknown word. It's your secret tool. When you hear a new word, don't stop. Look at the words before and after. Think about the topic. Listen to the speaker's tone. Example 1. I was starving, so I ate 3 sandwiches. You don't know starving? But you heard ate 3 sandwiches. So starving probably means very, very hungry. Correct. Example 2. We canceled the picnic because it started pouring. You don't know pouring? But you heard picnic canceled plus weather reason equals heavy rain. Right again. Native speakers do this in every language. Your brain is smart. Trust it. If the word is really important, check it later. But during listening, just keep going. Use the context. Make your best guess. Technique 5. Don't multitask. Technique number 5. Don't multitask. Stay focused. Multitasking means doing 2 things at once. Listening to English while checking Instagram, or playing a podcast while writing emails. It feels productive, but here's the truth. Your brain can't focus fully on 2 things. You miss words. You forget what you heard. You waste your practice time. Instead, create English time, even just 10 minutes daily. During this time, put your phone away, close other tabs, just listen. Close your eyes if it helps, or watch the speaker's face if it's video. Treat English like a conversation with a good friend. You wouldn't scroll your phone while they talk, right? You'd look at them. You'd listen. You'd care. Give English that same respect. Focused attention, even for a short time, beats hours of distracted practice. And there you have it. 5 techniques to transform your English listening. 1. Predict before you listen. 2. Focus on main ideas. 3. Repeat. Listen more than once. 4. Use context to guess new words. 5. Stay focused. No multitasking. Pick one technique. Try it today. Remember, progress, not perfection. Every minute of focused listening brings you closer to confidence. Thank you for learning with me today. I'm Sarah, and this is Listen and Learn English Easy. Keep listening, keep growing, and remember, you've got this. Until next time, bye for now.